Once in a lifetime, there is a game that defeats all games. Quad A. Not triple A, Quad A. And in today, we're going to ask ourselves, why does the environment art, Who's Your Daddy, look like this? Shout out to all the patrons who make these videos possible. Let's get into it. Firstly, when do you see mirror reflections that perfect? Most games can't do it, can't afford it, but this game is super well optimized. Literally one-to-one mirror reflections. We take note of the set dressing in the scene. There is a lot of storytelling detail, such as the scale of the light switches, which is purposefully big. This is what you do in game design. Like the doors in Uncharted and Last of Us are massive, so the player can get through them. The light switches are massive, so that you can turn them on. See, there's levels to this game. You ain't just gonna make a normal light switch. You're gonna make a chunky one. You see, very accurate toilet with, American plumbing, and the sort of plug sockets are also American, which is very good storytelling detail. We've not got British plugs in there. Some good cloth sim, a bit of storytelling detail here, where the sort of air vent cover is slightly off the hinge. Now, if you've not played this game, we have to save a baby. The baby is very chaotic. And we need to say, look at this lighting. Who needs IES profiles? Like, come on. It's just highlighting this fruit, which is leading me towards it from a gameplay perspective. So I look at this fruit because there's a light there. And, I eat some food, which is good. I eat a bowl, which is good as well. Fire extinguisher to scale, remember, very important. Put out fires. Clock to tell the time is also to scale. Animation in the scene as well. Let's look at we speak out geometry seams all the time, right? Where geometry seams is where two meshes meet each other. But if you look in this environment, most edges... Oh, crap. Whoa, what are you doing there? Whoa, 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 whoa. Give me that. See, most... hold on. Oh, God. I'm trying to teach here, baby. Oh, God. Most edges have been set dressed to hide that nasty seam. Now let's transition to outside. We get an exposure pop. Let's just take care of you. Trying to teach environment art. So yeah, foliage looks pretty solid overall. You can see that it actually moves with the... Oh my god, what are you doing? It actually moves with the camera, which is very advanced. It's not just static. Got some nice modularity in the fences here. Some nice RGB masking going on. Out the detail. Really lovely rock sculpt here as well. What is this in my hand? Looks very suspicious. So I'm going to put that over there. Oh no, it's coming back to me. Don't come back to me. Scale's good. Like, you don't want to be able to jump over this, which it stops me from doing. Exterior looks pretty solid as well. We've got a nice Death Star in the sky. And yeah, this is sort of attention to detail. Like, look, everything has physics. The ropes move in the right place. It's attached perfectly. We have a seamless exposure going inside to outside. Let's have a look what else we've got in the inside. Stairs look pretty good. Look at the collision. We're going across each stair. The banisters are bolted into the floor. We've got this lovely trim on our modular kit as well. Doors are perfect scale. Look at the storytelling in here. Now, there's been a lot of effort put into set dressing and some storytelling on this hazardous vent, which we want to stop. Nice view to the outside. The more windows you have, the more Lumen can work. It's good to have natural openings in your scene so that Lumen can kind of get a lot of that bounce and natural lighting. Very important. Again, more cool light fixtures. We've got another door here. Now back to a bathroom. So double doors can be good because it can, deload things up behind you geometry-wise. Look at this. Yeah, lots of windows to let the light come in. Great scale on the TV. Big superior. This is obviously the master bedroom. And yeah, I think overall, this game is it's on another level. Colorful UI. It's got great graphics, great attention to detail. It runs at 120,000 FPS. And, you know, Assassin's Creed Shadows, more like Assassin's Creed Who's Your Daddy? Like, this is the way to go. So, again, hopefully it's been helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. But for now, peace.